Oh, nature. Look at that tree right there. It broke. Well, you can say goodbye to nature. The trees, the animals, you could just say goodbye. I don't even know why they building houses down there anyway. They're building houses. Like, why do we even... Why, I don't want no houses right there. Even though I really want some, like, friends over here that's like... Well, anyway, it's not about me. It's not about me. It's about nature. So, like... I miss nature. I'm going to miss nature. Cause they building houses, like, why do you care about people? I mean, yes, care about people, but why do you care about building houses? But you're taking down the houses from many animals, Lord. Why, Lord? Why? Well, it's not really Lord, but I'm just saying Lord. Like, you can almost see through there. Well, you can see. At first, we couldn't see nothing. And what are they gonna do? Because one time, me, my sister, and my cousin, we walked back there, and then they had like a little pond, right? They had a pond back there. And then, so when we was at the pond, no, at first we heard a skunk. But first we had heard a skunk, but that's when we was like all the way back deep in there. The pond wasn't like real deep back, but it was deep. But it was so it was deep. And then like we saw a skunk, and then we ran and then we ran for like 2 or 3 minutes, and then the skunk. Well, I don't know, but then we didn't see the skunk. So we went to the pond. We ran for like 2 minutes, and then we walked to the pond for like 5 minutes more. So there was the pond back there. I think it was like right there. That's when the skunk used to be over there all the time. That little barrel, sewer, whatever it's called. So like, we went up back there, and then when we went to the pond, there was our pond. It was beautiful. And then we heard like something like quack, like that. It was like that, quack, quack. But it was like one time. So we ran. And then right through there. Yeah, it was right there. You see it? This little trail. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's like a little trail right there. So we went to that trail. No, first we came off our deck. Beautiful elephant ears. Okay, so yeah, I'm telling 2 stories. My bad. So yeah, so the pond's right there. Those sharks. Oh, that's what they doing. I don't know that they was growing some plants and stuff. The people next door, they growing plants. They growing fast. Damn. So, next I'm gonna do a slime video. I got a noodle box. I'm saying noodle box. This slime is like 2 weeks old right here. 2 weeks old. So we was walking to the pond, then we ran, and then back to the story. Then we ran, right? So when we was running, we split up, but it was a wood, so we could like see. And then we all ran out. Then I ran out right there. I was right there. I was running out right there. And then there was like running out right there and stuff. I ran out right there. There was also, then we meet up. That's when the neighbors there was nobody living there. Ooh, see that? That's when nobody was living there, so we ran. And then, so I had this cut on my leg. It's not still there. I mean, it's not there anymore. But I had the cut on my leg. It was bleeding. Yep, it's bleeding. So, okay, so now I have to tell you another time. Oh, my hand in the way, God damn it. So now I gotta tell you something else. Look right here, you see it? Focus, focus, focus. You see that? So, I know y'all probably gonna be like, why you do that for? But I failed. But how did I fall? Cause it was this big, I fell at school, after school. There was this big freaking rock in the middle of the land of like where the hey. Oh, I keep doing that. It was this big rock. Do you know like where where people stand in the sidewalk, then the buses and stuff in the sidewalk? So I was standing right there. Then there was this big stupid ass rock. I was running because I thought I was gonna miss the bus, right? There was this rock I was running. And this is the rock I was running. This is me right here. Then I fell over the rock. And then I was kind of like, do you know how like people like try to stop with their hand and stuff? So I did that. And that's what happened. It was bleeding. So let me tell you what happened right here. It just happened today. Now this happened yesterday. And my leg happened like a year ago. So this happened. See, it was bleeding. It's bleeding. It is my very good, no bad freaking day. So I was at school. That's why I got picked up early. I would have been still in school by now. No, I would have been out. I would have been leaving. So I was in my locker. Then I slammed my freaking finger in the freaking locker. And I slammed that mother hard too. So it cut it on this side. I think my fingers, well, I don't think it's broke, but it feels numb. Like, do you know how like when doctors give you shots to numb? It feels like that kind of numb, but I can still move it, but it still hurts. I can't put it in a fist. It hurts. So that's just my story time. I was trying to see if I should start YouTube or not, because you know I should start. I don't know if I should start YouTube because I don't really have nothing to do or have nothing exciting to do at home except like this and stuff. Well, I can kind of tell stories, but y'all will not be able to see my face or nothing. Y'all just be able to see my hands when I'm working on and what I'm doing. So like, don't try to look for. Don't be like, oh, who is she? Who is that? Who's that in the comments? She must be ugly. She must be ugly. No, I'm actually can steal your man. So don't be all up in my comments hating, nigga. I don't hear it. I was 30 million views. I don't think that nigga near it. Sorry, y'all. I had to spill a little DDG, a little DDG flames. You know what I'm saying? DDG. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, so if I should start YouTube, comment down below, subscribe. Yeah, and then, but I really see y'all can freaking even see the cars back there. Like, y'all can see the cars. I just saw this fucking Escalade, fast Escalade past dude, bro. But like, y'all can even see the cars, man. Shit's so crazy. Why they turn it down? They want to make homes for the people they want to make new homes for people, but they turn down the homes of the freaking animals. I said that before. So y'all, I think I'm locked out because I don't think nobody knew I was coming. I mean, knew I was outside, so I think I'm locked out. So I'm finna see. I'm a little Mickey Mouse. I'm gonna set my phone like right here or something. Y'all can like see. Like right here. Yeah, I'm gonna put it right here. Y'all gonna be able to see the y'all gonna get the field view. I think I'm gonna hold it up in my hand and stuff. But I don't know, bro. If I put it like this, act like this is the slime. Just pretend with me. Cause I don't have no like camera or nothing. Because if I told you to buy me if I told my granny to buy me a camera, cause you know I'm living with my granny. So I'm living with my granny, right? Cause this is what I do with my mom. But me and her, we close. We like a mother and daughter should be. So yeah. I don't know if I should start YouTube because it's pretty boring. Like, I don't know if I should start YouTube or not. Yeah. Perfect Laugh was my game, which was my squad. Same. I'm just playing. I really like Perfect Laugh. She's one of my favorite female YouTubers. Kelly Sweet, Kristen Queen. Well, so I'm gonna see if I'm locked out or not. Yeah. No, I'm not. Wait, did y'all see that? Oh, that's just my camera blocking it. Y'all see that? I do just my hand. That's almost so wild. Hey, I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. Don't know what the fuck. Hey. So, y'all, I don't know if I should do YouTube. So I'm just gonna end this video off by saying, should I do YouTube? Or maybe I can do stuff like this. Or maybe I can just vlog. But my whole family, they know they're gonna knock me out if they see them recording. If I record them, so I don't know. I can just go outside and talk about story times and enjoy my books and stuff and my music and shit. You know what I'm saying? So, oh! I'm not gonna see that. Oh, just a little net. Out here, I don't know if I'm gonna be out here for a while because it's hella bugs. Cause look, it's nature, but it's not finna be getting stupid as always. Motherfucking houses. Yeah. So bye. Shout out to YouTube. Comment down below if I saw YouTube. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video with all your friends. You know what I'm saying? You know I'm a kid, so don't be like, why? Okay.